your name? Amigo! Amigo! How else can you greet all these nice people?
How are you?
Fantastic, Amigo! Very polite parrot, I must say. Amigo is going to show off now. He's going to attempt to count from 1 to 10. First, in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So proud of himself. Okay, as if that was not smart enough, Amigo is going to count in a different language. Let's hear him do that in Chinese.
2, 3, 4,
哦，很好 means very good in Mandarin. Shall we move on to singing? Yes, Amigo loves to sing. The first song is a local children's song that goes by the title 客人来. A guest comes to visit. Everyone listen up, okay? Amigo, please sing in Mandarin.
客人来看爸爸，爸爸不在家，我的客人也在家，在自己背他。
客人来 by Amigo, word for word. Good boy. Second song originates from Indonesia. Rasa sayang. Feelings of love. Amigo, let's listen to that nice catchy tune. Rasa sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, di hatinya jauh, sayang, sayang,
Hey! Well done, Amigo. Good boy. Last but not least, an English song. Today is the 30th of December, right? Anyone's birthday today? Birthday? So many people in the crowd. No? Really? No birthdays today? Don't worry, I won't ask your age. No birthdays today? Really? Well, we have somebody up there. Okay. Too many people. Oh, there you go. Happy birthday. Yeah, it's very difficult to spot when there's so many people. Oh, I see some hands too. Okay, now for all who are celebrating your birthdays today, the next song goes out to you, okay? Amigo, you know what to do, right?
happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, that's special. Happy birthday from Amigo to you. Thank you, Amigo. But before he heads back home, he has one last thing to say. Oh, yeah. There you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.